Hello, welcome back. So I had a loss on SCKT. I went 300 shares because it was a lower price, and I wanted to size up a little bit more, thinking it was like a juicy profit. So I was looking at my Oracle indicator. I was waiting for all the numbers to come in. This was always red. Um, but I liked the volume on it. I did not like the daily chart. None of these was a perfect breakout except for ZDGE. Um, but it was a little bit close to the breakout level. And I thought with the volume that it could be a breakout. One second. So looking at the daily chart, I just saw this one candle with 100 million volume in the fours, 416. So it did end up pushing past that, but it then had a pullback because the high today was 440, so it blew past all of this. Go back to my 1 minute chart. I was interested also in EVK, but it already ran and had like 120 million resistance, and I didn't see it have so much volume, so I was like, forget it. I was trying to figure out like how I could have done this better because this was my idea was I saw all this. I didn't want to chase it. I almost wanted to buy it in here, like in the fours, thinking I would miss my chance because it was pre-market high. And then it crashed, and I wanted to buy right here because I saw that it fell exactly to this point where all these little guys are standing on. And it was the match of this, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. It's the double bottom rip. And so I got in here at 365. It went to 370, and you see how it's a higher low. So I was like, okay, cool. And then crashed. And I was like, fuck. So I just exited. I didn't like hold and hope and shit. I took the loss. So 56 bucks. So one of my wins from the other day, which was like 50 something, I now wiped out. But that's okay. Still a green month. And I have 3 more trades left of the month, and that's it. Sometimes your ideas don't work. I probably should have waited for a green indicator on SCKT, but it didn't happen. I was just very enticed by so much reward. See, it's interesting. This one is green, but it has no volume to it, so I don't know. Today was just a weird day. What else? I was looking at clips too. EVK, Bimmy. I didn't like any of these. Everything's just like falling, you know? Or like stuff would have too much resistance, like MDGS. Okay, cool. It's a low float with some volume, but it's got 150 million resistance volume from the other day. So that's why I just wasn't interested in that. This one seems to have done what I wanted it to do, but it made a bottom in the 330s. And I had not drawn this indicator before. I had only drawn this one. So I think like getting in here would be better because it has more confirmation. There's more of a bottom that's been set up. So I could have had a better entry on this. Not sure if it's gonna keep going, but yeah, it just didn't work out. That's all. Sometimes things will not work out, but the important thing is always to protect yourself and to cut those losses quickly, which is the #1 lesson everywhere to know. Best lesson ever. So just gonna watch this for a little bit, see what it's doing. Yeah. My idea made sense. It just wasn't finished panicking. I'm waiting for this to turn green. And now it's going to push past VWAP. Yes. Because it is a low float. I mean, some fucking shorts are getting squeezed there because this isn't breaking down. 340. But they also had $1 of profit from 440 to 340. So that's probably why it's doing a reversal. Oh well. Anyway, catch you later. Bye.